Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're going to look at day 8, the worksheet. All right, first one, set of data has a mean of 21, standard deviation of 4. All right, guys, I'm going to use this little number line for every single problem. We're just going to erase the numbers and the mean will be right here. All right, 1 standard deviation above, 2 above. So they're saying the standard deviation is 4. So this must be 25, and this is 29. This is 17, and this is 13. All right, what's the question? What data point lies one standard deviation below the mean? Well, below the mean then is 17. 2 above the mean, 1, 2 is 29. You just take the mean and add 4 to it twice. All right, the next one. Again, I'm just going to erase these numbers. Mean of 138. Standard deviation of 23. All right. So this is 161. And this is 184. This is 115. That's 92. All right. What are they asking? What data point lies 1 standard deviation above the mean? Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. That's a little far away from me here. There. All right. 1 standard deviation above, 138 is the mean, so 1 above is right there, 161. Yeah, that's 138 plus 23. All right. What data point lies 2 standard deviations below the mean? And here's 138. 1, 2 below, 92. All right, next. I'm going to erase these numbers. I'll use a different color. They're saying the mean is 53. The data point that lies 1 standard deviation below the mean is 46. So they're telling us this point right here is 46. All right, what's the standard deviation? That's 51 minus 46. All right, what is that, 7? 7. The standard deviation is the difference between the mean and the first standard deviation below it. What data point lies 1 standard deviation above? All right, so add 7. This must be 60. All right, 60. All right, number 4. In a set of data, the data point that lies 1 standard deviation below the mean is 103. So this point right here is 103. All right, and the data point that lies 1 standard deviation above the mean is 145. What's the mean and the standard deviation? Guys, the mean is the number that's right in between these two. 103 and 145. The mean is right in the middle. You can add those up and divide by 2. All right. I got 124. All right, 124 is just as far away from 145 as it is from 103. They're 21 away. 21 away this way and 21 away this way. Okay? So the mean is 124. Standard deviation is 21. All right, next, set of data. Get rid of this stuff. Hope you can see this. Go up a little bit. The data point that lies 1 standard deviation below the mean is 9. So 1 below right here is 9. The point that lies 2 above is 21. So not this one, but up here is 21. All right. What's the mean and standard deviation? Guys, subtract these two numbers, 21 minus 9. All right? That's 12. So again, here's the mean. Here's the first standard deviation. They must be 12 apart. There's a 12 right here, and a 12 right here, and a 12 right here. All right? I'm sorry, my mistake. They're 12 apart, so I divide this by 3. They're 4. The standard deviation is 4. My fault. 4. All right? Yep, that's it. All right, guys, I can back up here. This is 17. Take away 4, that's 13. Take away 4, that's 9, so it works out. Sorry about that. The difference is 12, so divide by the 3 spots. They have to be equal. So 4 is the standard deviation. All right, so the mean then is 13. Standard deviation is 4. All right. Flip it over. Guys, which set of data is more predictable? Guys, this one right here, set B. Because it has a lower standard deviation. All right, it's narrower, it's more predictable. See, this one's jumping all over the place. It's less predictable. This one is very predictable. Everything is right in here. Same with this one. Guys, this one is much more predictable. The data points are when the much shorter range. They all come right in here. So this is set A for the same reason. It has a lower standard deviation. This one spreads way out. The data is all over the place, okay? That's all you need to have for that. Those last two are the same. I just wanted to prove a point there. All right, thanks.